Hey everyone, I am so excited to open up this portable table crystal lamp that I was gifted from the brand. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Here I wanted to show you what the unboxing process looked like as well as the packaging of it, but everything came looking really nice. So let's talk details. So right away you can tell that this is a stunning, beautiful lamp. So as you just saw, it does come with this lamp itself with the base attached. And then it comes with this USB cord to plug into the lamp and to charge it. I wanted to show you how beautiful this lamp is, and so here at the top it just has the brass look to it, and then look at these crystals. Aren't they so beautiful? They give a very retro look. And then here is the bottom of the base, and then here is the button as well as the port where you can charge the lamp. It is so beautiful. I love how easy this lamp is to control. So the button is right there and all you have to do is short press it, and it has 3 different lighting color options. And so here I'm going to shut it off, and then you will see that it has a warm light, a cool light, and then a natural light, looking so beautiful. You can also adjust the brightness of it just by long pressing this button, so you can see it go from dim all the way up to very bright. I love how it looks right here in our entryway. It's also great to go in the kitchen right here, and I love that I do not have to use a cord to plug into the wall in order to use it. The different brightness levels can completely change the tone and the vibe of your house, and so here we have it here in our living room, and then here's what it looks like in our bedroom. Being able to adjust the dimness is a game changer, especially at nighttime when I want it to be dimmer. It also can go in bathrooms. I just love the long-lasting battery power. It can go anywhere from 9 hours to 48 hours, depending on your level of brightness. Anyways, I love this lamp. It's definitely going to be going around the house with me as it's portable, so I definitely recommend it.